Today's video will walk you through on how to hide or remove zeros after decimal. To start, open up the spreadsheet containing the data you want to remove the zeros. Now you select the cells where you want to remove the zeros after the decimal point. Then at the top of your screen, you click on these decimal points and with the back arrow to decrease decimal places. You click on it and you notice that it has removed some zeros in the data. You click on it again and again, and all zeros have been removed from the data or hidden from the data. So guys, that is how you remove zeros or you hide zeros after decimal. Thanks for watching the video. Please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more content. Bye guys, see you in the next video.